Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Samsung's smartphones Samsung Galaxy A71 5G UV. So at the beginning I want to say subscribe to my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is the official specification of the phone. The phone has network mode of GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G, and the phone has memory specification of 128GB with 6GB of RAM. The phone is coming to the market with 3 colors. And the 3 colors are Prism Cube Black, Prism Cube Silver, Prism Cube Blue. And USB has micro USB 2.0 which is Type C, 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has Super AMOLED plus capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. Display size is 6.7 inches and 88.3% skin to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.40 into 2.97 into 0.32 inches. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset with Qualcomm SDM765 Snapdragon 765G, which is used in Samsung high-range smartphones. The CPU uses octa-core 1 into 2.4 GHz Cairo 475 Prime and 1 into 2.2 GHz Cairo 7475 Gold. 6 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 475 Silver. The fingerprint under display, its optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and others. The battery was lithium polymer 4500 mAh, non-removable, and fast charging at 25 watt. You get pre-installed nano SIM in the phone. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.mm jack. The camera was quad-core. Behind the camera set mains 4 cameras on the phone. The first one is 64 megapixel with flash 2.0, 26mm wide. The second one is 12 megapixel with flash 2.2, 123 degree ultra wide. The third one is 5 megapixel with flash 2.4 macro, and the fourth is 5 megapixel with flash 2.2 depth. Video type facility maximum 4K 30 frames per second. And get a selfie camera single 32 megapixel with flash 2.4 and 26mm wide lens. So friends, this is the official specifications of today's A71 5G UW model. For those who want to a good phone for Samsung from high-level gaming. You can take it without any hesitation. It will launch in Bangladesh market very soon, and I will definitely come with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.